Hi, I'm Joey with Fitness Finders, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your EasyScan account in a quick video. To start, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you. The first thing that you will receive is your EasyScan activation email. In that email, you will also get some attachments that provide helpful FAQs on how to get started. Step 1, you're going to follow this link and enter the activation code. So let's go ahead and copy our activation code and click on that link. And here we are. So I'm going to go ahead and paste my activation code in and fill out my information. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click activate. And go ahead and agree to the terms of service and click continue. So the first thing that you're going to see is your school information here. Go ahead and make sure that's all correct and click next. Next, you're going to add in your first program. A program is simply a period of time that you want to collect data for. The data will only go into that program that you select when you're on the app. So let's go ahead and create our program here. And you can see it up at the top in the teal colored box. Here we are at the courses tab. This is going to be the actual tracks that your students run around. So let's go ahead and add our first course. I'm going to name this one my outside track. It is 4 laps per mile, making each lap 0.25. It is in miles. And the scan delay I will set to 60 seconds. The scan delay is the amount of time that a student can scan their same card without the device telling them that it's scanned too soon. So this prevents multiple repeated scans. Go ahead and click OK. You can create a second course now. Like that, I've got my 2 courses added. Next, I'm here at classes and students. I'm going to go ahead and click add class and give a name to my class. Teacher, you can select yourself for now and continue on. Create class. Now click on the name of the class to be able to enter the student names into that class. You can either click create student and type them in one by one, or you can simply copy and paste the names. I will select that option. I'll go ahead and pull up my roster here, and you can see I've got them separated by last name and then first name. This is how you will need to have them organized to be able to copy and paste correctly. So now that I've got them copied, I'll go over here, paste them in, click next. You'll see that it will format them for you. You can go down to the bottom and check them and then click add students. Next, I'm going to add my next class. You can go ahead and click next. Now you want to hit edit my school. In this section, you will want to go to the awards tab and go ahead and set up your awards and click save. Now you can set up your award levels. Now we can go to the users tab and you can add in other users. Access. Click here to see what these mean. And click create user. If you would like, you can now assign that user to their class and click save class. This makes it so that then when they log in on the computer, they'll only be able to see the class that they are assigned to. You can also add in a shared user account. It will automatically give you this generic email address and name. All you have to do is give it a password. Now, anyone that wants to scan for the students in your account can use this same email and password on any device at the same time. Lastly, here on the computer, to get started, we're just going to print our QR codes. Let's go to the QR tabs. This is located again in Edit My School. Click Download Students. Click Download PDF. Here are your QR codes that you will be using to scan. Most users will print these off, laminate them, and give them to the students. The QR codes can be reused year after year as well. When you're also printing your QR codes, you will want to make sure that you select Fit to Page to make sure that none of them get cut off. Next, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen on the app, and we will go ahead and get logged in. And all right, so let's go ahead and log in. Your device will automatically sync when you log in. Go ahead and go to settings and give your device a name. I'm going to put FF Tablet. Go ahead and download your themes that you'd like. Use the drop down to select the theme. Click OK. Save settings and go back to home. Now you can go ahead and start your session. You want to click the track that the students are running at. All you'll need to do is have your device, set it down on a stand or a flat surface, and you don't have to touch it. The kids will run by, and each time they'll scan their card. Now that you've got some cards scanned and some data there, go ahead and up at the top right, click Stop Scanning. You'll click Yes. And again, you're going to hit Sync Now. This is going to send the data over back to the computer for you. So let's go back to the computer and take a look at all the data that we collected. So we can go ahead and go to Class Sheet. Got some students with data in our first class, and some students with data in our second class. We can go to Stats and view reports. We can also in Stats view leaderboards. You can also go to this Print tab, print off the awards lists. You can also print off your certificates, and that's it. We activated our account using the email that we received. We entered in our classes and our student names via copy and paste. We printed their QR codes. We even set up award levels and assigned teachers to their classes. We put our courses in. Then we got on the app. We set up our device, started a session, collected data, and synced the data over. After that, we were able to view reports and see which awards the students have earned. It's that simple. Keeping kids active and motivated has never been easier. Thank you for choosing EasyScan.